guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Jamie Jo and I am with Jamie Jo Sells Wax. I have a fragrance business where I have partnered with Scentsy Fragrance for over 14 years now, since all the way back in October of 2008. And I am so excited to do our unboxing of the July WhiffBox today. If you have been following me for any amount of time, you know all about this WhiffBox and you knew this was coming. But I want to tell you newbies out there why the WhiffBox is so amazing. So our Scentsy WhiffBox changes every single month, and it is a surprise box of Scentsy goodies. The price is, it's actually 3 different prices. You can pay $35 for it. You can pay $31.50 or you can pay $17.50. 3 different prices on that, and I'll explain that at the end of the video. But this WhiffBox is always promised to be higher than $35 in value. Like I said, it changes every single month. It is always a surprise. And here's the really cool thing about what just happened with WhiffBox and with Scentsy Club. You know, I'm going to go ahead and talk about those 3 price points super quick, and then I'll go into detail of them later. So the 3 price points, $35. That's if you just jump on my website and buy it right now. $31.50. That is if you add it to your Scentsy Club, which is our customer loyalty program. Or if you already have a club that is $60 or more, you can use your half price item to get your WhiffBox for half price at $17.50. Now, I told you there's something really cool that just changed about WhiffBox and Scentsy Club. That is the fact that you can now change the date that your subscription runs for Scentsy Club. And one of the dates that you can choose is the 3rd of the month. That is personally what I will be moving my WhiffBox to on my Scentsy Club. Honestly, I have not had my WhiffBox on my Scentsy Club because I always wanted to get it at the very, very first of the month. So I could show you guys what's in it, but also sometimes there's exclusive things in this WhiffBox and they do sell out. So I have always wanted to get my WhiffBox at the very, very first of the month. Now that we have the 3rd as a possibility on Scentsy Club, I will be doing yet another club order and adding my WhiffBox and changing it to ship out on the 3rd of the month. So excited about that. Let's jump in. Let's see what is in the WhiffBox for July of 2023. Hoping it's a good one. It's my birthday month. So we always have just like a little paper in here that just kind of gives you an idea of maybe what is in the box. So it says dream big and live happy. That leaves it kind of wide open, So we are in the summer months and I live in Oklahoma where it is hotter than the devil's butt crack. So we always have an insulated bag, not always, in the hotter months. We have an insulated bag. There's an ice pack in here. That tells me that there's wax in here, which I know there's always wax in a WhiffBox. We have 2 bars of wax. And also, ooh, I'm excited about this. This is a tester of our scent of the month for next month. Okay, and then we have the ice pack. So these are really cool to have on hand. These work as bubble mailers. Of course, it's an insulated bag, so you can use it as that. I hang on to my ice packs. I keep them in the freezer. They're fabulous for any time that you need to ice pack anything. I know a lot of people also take them up to their local elementary schools because they are always needing ice packs. So let's look at our waxes that we got. And I'm so excited because it's 2 of my favorites. The first one that we got is Make a Splash, and my camera is not wanting to focus for you, but it is Make a Splash. Now, the reason Make a Splash is one of my favorite fragrances is because I chose Make a Splash specifically for my vacation that I took last month with my husband to celebrate our 25 years of marriage. I created a scent memory by using Make a Splash in all areas of that vacation. I had it in a scent pack tied to my backpack. I had a mini fan diffuser that I put in the Airbnb. I was using Make a Splash lotion, body wash, all this stuff was Make a Splash. So I created a scent memory with this fragrance. So now every time that I smell this fragrance, I think of that vacation, and I absolutely love it. Now, our other wax bar that we get in here is Lake My Day. Lake My Day is such an amazing, yummy scent that is like, it's a mixture of like a woodsy fragrance, so think like men's cologne, but also mixed with the freshness of like a spa scent. And those are my two favorite categories. So you take both of those, you mix them together, and you have something that's super duper duper yummy. Lake My Day. So we get 2 bars of wax. That's already, I have my little Post-it pad here so I can add up our total. That's already $12 because those are 6 each. I'm gonna go ahead and jump over to this. So our scent of the month, be a friend here. Be a friend, camera. Pink leather. Pink leather. Now I turn this tracking thing on. Guys, no one said I was a camera person or a tech person at that. Ooh, that's interesting. I don't smell a whole lot of leather. Now I need to warm it because sometimes they warm a little bit different. Oh, I'm really curious to know exactly what all's in that. And I can't look it up right now because I'm filming on you, so I can't look it up. Ooh, I like it. It's light. I smell like some fruitiness in there, but it's called pink leather. If you want to smell it, get you a WhiffBox. You can smell it ahead of everybody else. Okay, we also get a scent pack in Cloudberry Dreams. Scent packs are amazing because they are like the product that could go anywhere and do anything. So they are made for our scent buddies, Scentsy buddies. So if you're not familiar with those, this is a Scentsy buddy. Don't fall in love with him because he was our first round of Scentsy buddies and isn't available anymore. My son loved on him for a super long time. But for some reason, he didn't want to take it with them when he deployed in the Air Force. Or stationed, whatever word you want to use. He's over in Japan now, and for some reason, he didn't think his little monkey needed to go. Anyway, there's a zipper pouch in the back, and inside that zipper pouch, you can tuck a scent pack, and that's what is used to fragrance our stuffed animals. So that's what this is for. But this is not just for that. I use scent packs all over my house. I use scent packs in dresser drawers, in closets. I've used them in my car. We now have better products for the car, I think. But used to, I would use them in the car. My kids have used them in their lockers. I've used it in my gym bag. This is just a product that can go anywhere and fragrance anything. So I love the scent pack. So that's $7. We're gonna add that. We're now at $19. Then we have a hand cream. And we get it in Just Breathe. Now, I was really skeptical when they came out with the body care line in the Just Breathe scent because it's eucalyptus and mint. But I got the hand soap and I put it in my front bathroom. And I find myself choosing to use my front guest bath more than my master bath now. And it's just because of the soap. I love the smell of that soap. It's just fresh, it's clean, it smells so yummy. It's definitely a earthy scent with that eucalyptus and that mint, but I just absolutely love it. I think it's great for spring, it's great for summer, and I'm really excited that you guys are going to get to try this. Then the last thing, oh, I better put that on my value. So that's $9 as well. So we're at $28. And then I am so excited that you guys are going to get a fragrance flower in this WhiffBox. So if you don't know what a fragrance flower is, you're gonna love them. Just trust me. I love them because you set it and forget it. You don't have to change it. You don't have to plug it in. You don't have to do nothing. But also they last so long. So they last like 2 to 3 months. So the first thing you're going to get in the box is your fragrance flower. Let's see if my camera is going to cooperate today on this. It is not. I don't know why this. There we go. So you can see how beautiful that flower is. So this is actually made of sola wood. It doesn't look like wood, but it is made of sola wood. These are hand tied in India. And then you get a jar of fragrance. In my WhiffBox, I got Daydream Oasis, which is a super yummy scent. I'm gonna get the description of it for you. Maybe. Maybe. I think it's going to be in the fresh category. Yes. Lose yourself in sweet melon and visions of luminous pear leaf and water lily. So melon, pear, and water lily. It smells so good. It's light and fresh, but it's still noticeable. So you are just going to take the cap off the oil, then put this pretty little silver ring on it, and then put your flower down in there. That wick on the flower is going to soak up the fragrance oil and put off the fragrance. These have amazingly pretty good scent throw for how small of an item they are, and the fact that we're not using any heat or warmth to use that scent throw. So you can smell them really well in a room. They are better for smaller rooms, think like bathroom, office, something like that. It's not going to fragrance a whole living room or a large room like that, but great for smaller rooms. Great for areas that you don't have electricity to. So we were at 28. That is a $16 value. So guys, our WhiffBox this month is a value of $44, and you can get it for as affordable as $17.50 if you use it as your half price item on your Scentsy Club. Guys, you can get this at JamiJoSellsWax.com. If you want to start a Scentsy Club or add it onto your existing Scentsy Club, you could still go to JamiJoSellsWax.com. There's a club button up in the top right corner. If you have any questions about this, just shoot me a text. You can reach me at 918-888-9690. I'm here to make sure that you are getting exactly what you want and that you don't have any questions at all. So don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I'm here to make your nose happy. Mine does, because I just used that hand cream. Mine does. I'm here to make your nose happy. Mine is. There we go. Guys, I'm filming this pretty early in the morning, and I have not had enough coffee, so bear with me. Anyway, as I was saying, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and show you a preview of July 2023 WhiffBox.